Hey everyone, I'm Praveen and welcome to AI Sparks, where artificial intelligence meets innovation and excitement. On this channel, we spark curiosity and ignite imagination with AI powered insights, tutorials, and explorations. From machine learning to robotics, we'll dive into the future today. Imagine this: you go to sleep tonight, your laptop is running quietly beside you, but while you sleep, your computer runs 100 machine learning experiments, tests new model architectures, changes hyperparameters, rejects bad ideas, keeps the good ones, and by morning, your AI has already improved a model. No lab meeting, no grad student, just one GPU. This is the idea behind a fascinating project called AutoResearch, created by AI researcher Andrej Karpathy. In early 2026, AI researcher Andrej Karpathy released a tiny but powerful open source experiment called AutoResearch. The concept is surprisingly simple. Instead of a human manually running experiment after experiment, you give that job to an AI agent. The agent edits training code, runs experiments, evaluates the results, and decides what to try next. It's like hiring a tireless junior researcher who never sleeps and never stops experimenting. Normally, in machine learning research, improving a model looks like this. You tweak the architecture, train the model, check the validation loss, write down the result, and repeat over and over. Auto research turns that whole process into an automated loop. The AI agent first modifies the training code, then runs a short training experiment, next evaluates the performance, finally decides, did the model improve? If yes, the change is kept. If not, it is discarded. Then the cycle repeats. This simple loop allows the system to explore hundreds of ideas automatically. One of the most clever design decisions in auto research: every experiment runs for exactly 5 minutes. That may sound tiny, but it's brilliant because now every experiment is directly comparable. No matter what architecture changes or hyperparameters the agent tries, every run gets the same time budget. That means about 12 experiments per hour, or roughly 100 experiments overnight. So while a human researcher might test a few ideas per day, this system tests hundreds. Another surprising thing about AutoResearch: the entire system revolves around just three key files. First, prepare.py. This handles dataset setup, tokenizer training, and utilities. It stays fixed so the agent doesn't break the infrastructure. Second, train.py. This contains the full GPT model and training loop. This is where the AI agent experiments with architectures, optimizers, and hyperparameters. And third, program.md. This is the most interesting file because this is where humans give research instructions. Instead of writing code, you write strategy. In auto research, the human doesn't edit the training code anymore. Instead, the human writes a markdown file describing the research plan. Things like try different architectures, explore optimizer changes, focus on lowering validation loss. The AI agent reads this file, then runs experiments to pursue that strategy. So the human becomes something new, not a coder, but a research director. This project hints at a new style of AI development. Instead of manually testing ideas, we build systems that test ideas for us. The bottleneck stops being compute and becomes something much more interesting: how well you design the research instructions. In other words, the future researcher might not write models, they might write the agents that discover them. So next time you train a model, imagine this. What if you didn't run the experiments? What if your AI did the research while you slept? If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment which AI system you want to build next. Stay sparked. See you in the next video.